Here's how you can create great looking content fast with TrouDigital's template feature. So once you're logged into the TrouDigital platform, click the Create from Template button, and then you can select one of our many templates from the template library. For example, this general message one on the top right, this one looks good, so we'll select that one. Click the plus, and you can see it loads up the Creative Studio with the template inside. All the elements that you can see here can be edited. The image can be changed, the background can be changed, the text can be changed, etc. So if we wanted, maybe our branding might be red, not blue. If we select the background, click the fill, and then change it to a red that meets our brand requirements. Obviously you can edit the hex code and add in your own. But if you click OK, you can see the template's now been changed. But maybe, the font at the moment, that's not our brand font, we just need to change it. If we select the text, select all the text within the label widget, and then click the drop down button for the fonts, we can then upload a font if you don't see it in our font library, or you can choose it from the list by searching it. For example, if it's Gotham, we can select that and you can see it's been changed. Then we can also do the same for the body text, and we can see we're starting to build out a nicely branded template to meet these brand requirements for this fake company. So once you're done with your template and you're happy with the content, getting that content onto your screens is as easy as any other way on the platform. So what you'll need to do is just name your creative, save it, apply that creative to a playlist, and then apply that playlist to a screen. Alternatively, you can also just add the creative to an existing playlist that's already attached to a screen, and within minutes you'll see your content appear ready to engage your audience. Any questions, do let us know. If you have any ideas for templates or anything that you'd like to see in our template library, just send us a message down below, and we'll get back to you and we'll be more than happy to add that to your account. Thank you.